Hello, great people. We have difference of 2 cubes. This is the first time I want to produce this video and I'll be very detailed here. Now, record that difference of 2 squared is AL squared plus B squared, which is equal to A plus B, then A minus B. Then for difference of 2 cubes, this A plus B, then A squared plus AB you add, then B squared. Want to apply this general formula of difference of 2 cubes to solving example 1 and 2, then do the number 3 and drop it in the comment section. If you are yet to subscribe or you are seeing us for the first time, hit the subscribe button on your notification for detailed video. This is quite tricky, but this is a lesson solution. Now A, this is S cubed. 8 is 2 times 2, 4 times 2. This will give us 2 raised to the power 3. Now let's take S as A, 2 as B. Now let's go. Then this is S. Don't forget we have plus 2 for B into. Then your A, you square it, which is S, plus. Then this is AB, that is 2 times S. Then plus B squared, 2 squared. So 2 squared will give us 4. That is the answer to the first one. Hit the subscribe button if you enjoy what we are doing and on your notification. Then B. Now, 27 will give us 3S cubed. 3 raised to the power 3 is 27. 3 times 3, 9 times 3. Then S cubed, we get this back. Then 4y bracket close raised to the power of 3. 4 times 4 times 4 will give us 64, then y cube. Now let's take this again as A, this as B. Now let's open the first bracket. This is 3S, which is standing as A plus, then 4y. Now for the second bracket, now let's come here. A squared, which is, this is A squared, so we can take it as 3 squared. 3 square A, the bracket, then you bring the square, then plus AB, we are multiplying them, this 3S into 4y. Let me write it legibly, 4y. Then we come here again, plus, we have it as 4 squared, so this is 4y squared. Now let's solve further. Hit the subscribe button for more notification. 4y into 3 squared will give us 9, that is 3 times 3, then the L squared. Then plus 3 times 4, 12sy, plus 4 squared will give us 16y squared. This is the factorized version. Hit the subscribe button, follow us for more content. Bye.